Okay, we've got some data, we've got X and Y, and we've got descriptions of X and Y, so we'll be fine if we have to do anything in context. We've got to calculate the line of regression of Y on X, so we lob our data into our calculator, making sure we choose the correct mode for statistics, and we get a value of A, and we get a value for B, but we haven't finished our line of regression until we've got Y equals. And of course, if you make a note of this when you actually go into that mode, you'll make sure you insert A and B correctly. Make sure you give A and B to 3 significant figures at least. And if one of them happens to be negative, I'm not sure it is in this case, but if you ever get a negative value, then watch out for that because it's not very easy to read on the white calculator. Then we've got to estimate a height, so that should be a value of Y, yes it is, of the shoot at a particular time. And they give it to you in weeks and days. Well, what units are you working in? Make sure you use the correct one. Okay, so there are 2 easy marks just for using your Y equals formula. This is looking very easy. And then we've got to give a reason why it would not be sensible to use a regression equation to estimate the height of the shoot 3 months. So you have to do something with this 3 months to discover what you would have to do. And then you have to maybe think about the standard reason, the standard word you use when it's not sensible, when it's not appropriate to use a regression line to do an estimate. And that standard word in an appropriate sentence might be pretty much all you need.